Natalia, and we're at Kansas City Comicon with Midnight Science.
Go for it.
So the goal of this game is to move all of these pieces from this peg onto this peg. But the rules are you can only move one piece at a time, and you can't put a larger piece on top of a smaller piece.
Got it. Step out back.
I think we're back to the same.
No.
Tilt it. All right, give it a shot.
So this is the device I made for the conservation of momentum. It's going to use the elastic to transfer its momentum to the card. So what you're going to do is pinch the elastic band around the card and then pull it back and let go, and it'll send the card flying. So I'm going to do it this way.
You did that.
What do you say?
Thank you.
I'll take your glasses now.
That was amazing.
That was amazing.